selling your home for sale by owner saves money. Many homeowners believe that selling their property on their own will save them a fortune in commission fees. After all, if you don't need an agent, you don't have to pay those hefty commissions, right? Well, not exactly. While the idea of saving money seems tempting, there's a lot more to selling a home than just listing it. First off, pricing your property correctly can be a challenge. Many FSBO sellers overestimate their home's value, or they underestimate it, which can result in longer listing periods and missed opportunities. Real estate agents, on the other hand, have the expertise to price homes based on market trends, recent sales, and buyer demand. But that's not all. When you're trying to sell a home, marketing is key. Sure, you can post on Craigslist or social media, but are you getting the right exposure? Real estate agents have access to the multiple listing service, which puts your home in front of thousands of potential buyers. Plus, they know how to stage and photograph your home to make it look its best. The negotiations? That's another area where an agent's expertise comes into play. Without professional guidance, you could end up making costly mistakes or leaving money on the table. In the end, homes sold with the help of a skilled agent tend to sell for more, which more than makes up for the commission fees. So, while selling FSBO sounds like a way to save money, it can actually cost you in the long run.